In this demonstration, we are going to take a look at the segmented entry control helpers. So to get started, we are going to visit the General Journals page. So from my favorites list, I'm going to click General Journals. On the General Journals form, I'm going to select a general journal that I made earlier, and we are going to look at the lines. So I'm going to select the line and then click Lines. Here we can see that there is some information available, including the date, voucher, company, and account type. The field we are interested in for the purposes of this demonstration is the account field. So first, let's look at how we can actually put in an account number here. When we click the drop down to put in an account number, you'll notice that we have three separate fields over here that we can enter information into. So the first one is the main account, and then the business unit and the department. So if I wanted to search for a main account and I know what number the main account starts with, I can simply start to type it in here, and the list will start to shorten based on that information. So there's a good one. We'll select that bank account. And from there, we can see all the business units that are associated with this main account. And I can either enter a number or I can select it from the list. One of the things you can also do in all three of these fields is type part of the description. So for instance, if I wanted to see everything with fashion, I could type that, and because this description includes the word fashion, I can select it there. From there, we can also look at departments. So for instance, if I wanted to see human resources, I can type in human, and it will bring up human resources because that's part of the description, and I can select it there. Once I've done that, you can see that the account number has now been populated based on the entries that I've put into the system. If I'm interested in seeing the actual breakout for this account number, I can select the field, and then on my keyboard, I can press Alt and the up directional arrow key, and it will show me the different segments available. Let's take a look at that again. You can see the main account, the business unit, and the department. You can do this on journals that you've created yourself and any that are in the system. So if I wanted to see this on a different account, let's look at a journal that someone else made. So I'm going to select this journal here, and then I'm going to click Lines to open it. And let's say I want to see the different segments for this account number, so I can select the field. Again, I will press Alt and the up arrow key, and this will show me all of the different segments associated with this account number, starting with the main account, business unit, department, cost center, and item group in this case. You can also use the wildcards that were discussed earlier in this course to find the information that you would like for an account. So let's close this and go back to the record that I had created. So I'm going to select that line, and then I'll click Lines again. And let's go ahead and make a new line and take a look at this. So for instance, for this account, let's say that I want to search for something with a partial. So I know that the sequence 20 is in the actual account number for the main account. So I'm going to type asterisk 20 asterisk. And by doing that, you'll see that all of the results here have that number sequence. And let's say that I know it's 204, I can type that in as well. And it will show me just those options. And then I can select those here. And I can do this for any of the different segments available.